Have you ever wondered how to make money online? A question many of us have pondered as the digital era unfolds around us. This exciting period of rapid technological growth has given birth to a plethora of opportunities, presenting the potential for financial independence and flexibility like never before. The allure of making money online is not just a dream, but a viable reality for many. So if you're curious about how to tap into this lucrative digital world, then stay tuned. Making money online is not a myth, but a reality for many. The process, however, requires a strategic approach. Let's dive into the step-by-step process, shall we? The first step is identifying a profitable niche. It's all about finding that sweet spot where your passion meets market demand. This could be anything from pet care to digital marketing, fitness, or even baking. Once you've pinpointed your niche, the next step is creating valuable content or product. This could be a blog post, a YouTube video, an online course, or a product for e-commerce. The aim here is to deliver value to your audience, solving their problems or fulfilling a need. Next comes the art of marketing. This is where you put your product or content out there for the world to see. Use social media, email marketing, SEO, and other digital marketing strategies to reach your target audience. Remember, it's not about who shouts the loudest, but who connects the best. The final step is optimizing for continuous growth. This involves analyzing your performance, learning from your mistakes, and continuously improving. It's a never-ending cycle of growth, refinement, and expansion. Blogging, YouTube, e-commerce, online tutoring. These are just a few platforms where you can apply this process. Each platform has its unique opportunities and challenges, so choose wisely. Remember, the key to successful online income is consistency, creativity, and adaptability. It's about showing up every day, thinking outside the box, and being ready to pivot when necessary. Now that you understand the process, let's revisit the key points that are crucial to remember. Our journey begins with finding a niche. This is your starting point, the unique corner of the internet where you'll plant your flag. From there, it's all about creating value. Whether it's a blog, a product, or a service, your offering should be something people need or want. Then comes the marketing, the art of making your presence known. Use all available channels to reach your audience, from social media to email lists. And don't forget about optimization. Keep an eye on what works and what doesn't. Tweak your strategies, your content, your approach, always aiming for better results. These steps, finding a niche, creating value, marketing, and optimization, are your stepping stones to success in the vast digital landscape. In the world of online income, the potential is as limitless as your dedication and imagination. Start your journey today.